Hi, I'm Ira Winkler, and for some reason they want me to do one of these recordings because frankly, most of the people who are going to attend this thing already know who I am, and I know you guys personally. If you don't know who I am, it's been your loss for who knows how long. With all that being bad jokes aside, I'm Ira Winkler. I'm the Chief Information Security Officer at CISOevents. Basically, what we do is I'd say we do cyber risk quantification, but that's the buzzword, but it's an understatement. It's basically cyber risk optimization. And the reason I'm telling you this, because I hate cheap plugs. I don't want to do anything that makes people cringe, frankly. We look at attack path visualization. We see how bad guys get to the assets. Am I seeing tools that replace other tools? The answer is I see a lot of suite products that are going to be better than best in breed products. You have SCA, you have DAST, you have SAST, you have all these different tool sets. And it'd be great if you have a suite solution where you're able to go ahead, for example, and combine, into one tool, all the other, like a comprehensive set.
Good. Cool. All right. Well, I think these conversations just can keep rolling and rolling. So thank you for taking the time. If you've got any words for anybody that hasn't met you.
No, just come by, just say hi. That's all I tell people.
Good. Okay.
Just say hi. I promise I won't try to get you to buy one of my books. I'm very bad at that.
Are you going to bring a few with you just in case?
Probably not.
Good. All right, Ira. I appreciate your time. Look forward to meeting you.
Thanks. Bye.